Sorkar Meghalaya kala persang bonora kilat ajing sumari bapang basitom hakir kom pair but kum kani kastin jam na sakhi ya ka jingpli pai ba ya ka integrated public health laboratory IPHL lengba ka PM Abhim Hapasyo Institute Shillong da ka menteri badai pe ya ka koi ka khia ka Dr. Mazil Ampareen lingdo hapo ka PM Abhim financial year arajar arway arajar punreu ka menteri ka kado yiki Jaka bante yiki critical care block CCB but integrated public health laboratory IPHL nyau tili district jong ke jala Meghalaya haswa kan ye Dr. Ampareen lingdo laidon lang ha jelang pli lengba ki durki ya ka campus bathamai jong ka NIPER Guwahati bat buru yo maunong rim jong ka NIPR Hyderabad bat NIPER reba really daw menteri badai kami ya kanat ka koi kakhya ka Sorkar India u Dr. Mansuk Mandavia u Dr. Mansuk Lapliru iki maunrim jong ki project pair ki baide ban kantiu ki lat ji Sumar Arunachal Pradesh Assam Manipur Meghalaya Mizoram Nagaland bat Tripura ka Dr. Ampareen habakren sekilat Phai kubor halor ka jingple ka IPHL kalakan tu ki nongsong snong bakin phates ki jingpang jingki haki Jaka Sumar ka Sorkar bat kian nak balik tes ki Jaka simet namar kan kata ya ka yok akot ku jingki.
So what are the kind of
different equipment with the technology? So based on this availability of this and the diagnosis at a rapid rate, yielding good results, which are today reliable to
very good?
But
So these are all standardized, latest technologies. Wow.
So we have a colleague.
Very good, very good, very good. So we will be able to do all the testing of citizens going to government services here.
Yes. Including both infectious and non-infectious disease as well.
Very good.
Even surveillance program.
So now we need to make sure that this happens also. Yes. Make sure that this happens, that the public will be spending lesser and there will be better facilities, reduced cost.
Yes, in that we have the dashboard with us online. We can show you that.
Yes, the dashboard is there.
So we have been collecting data from all over the facilities, right from sub-sector level all the way to district hospital. So now we have a clear picture of what's going on in our state.
Now if I'm supposing I'm a patient in Punutsla, I need a certain test to get done. Is there a manual transportation of samples, or what is the way? How does this work?
If it's this can be done, there can be done. If not,
No,
then we can
say a very highly required.
Yes, can be done, man. Transportation.
So they bring the samples.
Yes, exactly.
So there's a physical transportation
Yes,
of this.
Yes. But we maintain the cold chain and all.
Okay. So you have the transport systems,
We do have
transportation of samples is also.
All the SOPs,
SOPs.
the SOP right from transportation
Collection.
till the lab and
Collection from the collection
till generation of report.
Very good. Wow. What is the total strength of your lab?
As of now, we have four departments together. Clinical microbiology, biochemistry, pathology, molecular biology.
Okay.
So altogether we are integrated in this. So
And
that's
how
why
many doctors are here?
specialists, myself, microbiologists.
3 microbiologists.
3 microbiologists.
Two biochemists.
And pathologists we have only one right now.
So what are the general nomenclatures? Say for example, I need a blood test for a certain parameter, for a certain investigation.
In broader term, I can say infectious and non-infectious disease. So infectious disease we have like for blood culture we do, and even other clinical samples like pus and all those, urine also. And in others way around, like in non-communicable disease, so biochemistry department can tell better than that.
So people come, the samples of citizens come to you,
Yes, ma'am.
and then you do the.
Yes, ma'am. We do the test.
Even here also there is a collection center. Any general public they come and
Yes.
give their sample.
Very good.
And we collect samples from all the UPCs from Shillong.
Yes.
All the 19 members of all the health centers we have, we collect from them.
Kini ki facilities kum kane ka lab, ka laboratory, ka badon kambha, ka day ka Jaka ha ka ba ngindon kita ki experts, ki microbiologists, ki chemists, ki weipat ki kita ki experts ki ban pet bat ban khmi bat ban wat bania halor kumno ngila ban pet ba kanu ka klam haba kadon kanu ka klam kumno ngila bangin counter ya kata ka klam bat kumno bangin test ya kata ka klam bat kumno ngila ban contain ya kata ka klam ka jing hikai ka bangiyo a kapor bangiyo ya tu knyang jing pang covid kala day ka jing hikai ka bakraw ya kari India brokaway bat ka Sorkar kami ka ayangi hadu santali kum kini ki jan labs ki bangin la banta bangin ki standardized labs ki labs kamut ki Jaka test te ki nong shong shnong menta hakaba ki lej ban test ya ki jingpang ki baper tengkat ki ju sei shibun ba ka pisa na kapla bat kalong ka ba rem ka ai ba ban lej ye kini ki test ki ba ki Phah investigate ki doctors ha ki centers ki baper lada pidon ha sor ka khambha ka kham Duna kata ka Jinglut nre lada pidon le shigi Jaka nong kondong kum kita ki district hospitals lani kita ki secondary care centers ki jongi kamut kini ki institutes menta kin yarap ye ki nong shong snong bakin penduna ya ka Jinglut ka jongki halor ka testing omdon kam shu ban le shigi private labs menta shen kini ki officers jongi hapo ka health director ka department of health ki don kam ban I strict instructions ye ki doktor baper ki bapet ye ki nongpang ha saudong jong ki Jaka Sumar jong ka jala ka jongi ban pet ba ki numpha shu ye kita ki samples jong kita ki snam ki jong ki sha kita ki labs ki balong private ki bala ban shibun ka pizza kani ka lab hang ni ki lab yang ki equipment menta mat kani ka pisah ka bangiyo for infrastructure ka dela ka jong ka pisah ka bangin yo na kamta ka machine bat ka equipment ru ka dela ka jong te kani ka ek pro khot ka long ka plelenti yang ngi kum ka health department ban don na ka benta upat ba ban ngin petru ba ka Jinglut na ka benta kini ki testing facilities ki badon kam niat lemba ka MHIS nang ba kipat ba kinum hapsay ne bay na lade na kapor ki dor ki barem kapa arpan kalong ba kini ki critical care blocks pi ngiyo iba ki briu ki nong pang haba ki yo pang ha ki Jaka nong kondong bunsin ki pat ba ki do jingkermen namar umdon ICU ha ki district hospitals umdon kita ki jingpen biang ki babiang ha ki CHCs ru te kini ki critical care blocks kindai kita ki lat ban ai ya kini ki hospital ni yo shwa ha kini ki Jaka ha po William Nagar bat ha klirian bat ngin ped kumno ki trekam ban ai ya ki nong song snong jongi ya ki operation theaters ki babiang dei tang ka building rei ya ki tiar ki bapendon kamru ka government of India ka bay na ka benta ka ya ki jela baro bat kane gedi ka kam ka babha ban ngis ngongo shikat dai
hakno urkom pada mentala da gini ne kiwe ki CHC ne PHC ki bakham sakendong hakno urkom kinra e kas nama tu kala biang nem kita
yes
biling
kane gedi kata ka catch kane gedi ka basngutunan bagi doctors mentaki ong ban transport ban ra yakini ki test la ni ki samples na ka wei ka Jaka shakawei ka Jaka ru kinlong da ka rukom ka babit ka babiang kata ka maintenance jong kita ki SOP ka bamut ba lada pira yakini ki samples habdon kata ka temperature habdon kata ka kali ka bakumta habdon kata ka protection ya kita ki samples jopi ki bakumta kumni kanang ba kinum sneu bat kanang ba kanum le da ai ka pisa jong ki bat ba bat pila ju yos ngo yang nga crunch panga drone technology ka drone technology kan penpoi kan reshim ye kini ki samples na ki Jaka ki ba wat ka surok ru kam la penpoi ngala pen i ye pi ba ngidon ar lightly kum kita ki drone centers ha ka bangin shim ye kini ki samples na kitu ki kendong ru man pen ba ka testing ya ka snam ka surveillance kata ka jinglong prepared kata ka jinglong ki balapan kre ki doktor ki jongi habawan kanu ka jingmat halor ka kot ka khia ka pre ka penhiar ka pang biong kli ka pang shit ka dang ka kata ka dengue kata ka malaria kini barokot kini kita ki life threatening diseases ki badang Telem yang kijat benriu habun kijaka ha kejala kejungi bat hakari berokawai. But kini kejeng yalam ya kini ki technological centers. Kita ki centers of excellence. Kita ki baladlong lupa ki standardized centers. Syakini kijaka ki bakendong kanyarap shibon ya unong song snong bat barok kim don kam ban be syasor. Ya ka jing don kam jong kataka jing pet jong ka kot kakya ka joki.